Hi, Wes Scott from LifeBack Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about, with LifeBack Law Firm, diversity and inclusion is non-negotiable. I love the word non-negotiable. It's not negotiable. You know, at the firm, we promote human dignity for all, and especially marginalized groups, historically marginalized groups of people, you know. Black people, different religious groups, different sexual orientations, trans rights. We are inclusive, and it's not negotiable. And years ago, when we made this move to diversity within the firm, and we got blowback, we have spent the last 3 years protecting the firm and its employees and clients from people who continually attack that. And there are people, believe it or not, who do. Just the other day, I had a meeting where I was answering questions about the firm and about protecting the firm against people who attack the firm. And as I was answering questions years ago, we had a trio of people falsely accuse Kane and Scott at the time of firing Trump supporters, a claim they knew was false. And they knew it was false, and they did it to try to damage the firm. And we got death threats. I mean, it was highly publicized. It was very effective slur, and it was highly publicized, and our staff got death threats and threats of physical harm. And when I was answering these questions, one of the people involved in this slur and this falsehood, this thing they knew was incendiary and false, and the district court threw it out because it's ridiculous and it didn't happen, was laughing about it. She thought it was funny. I mean, so her slur, her lie, knowing it would cause innocent people to be in danger, was funny to her. That was funny. And I left the meeting. I left the meeting that day, and I left the meeting a few days before that, along with my operations manager and another individual. And I think there was just a sense of shock, a shock that somebody could be so full of hate. It was incredulous. It was disturbing. I don't know. I mean, there are people who, I'm not at a loss for words a lot, but I really was. When I was answering questions, and then a day or two before, when this other person was answering questions, and the vitriol and the hate and the disdain for people. At one point, she said, I something to the effect of, I love to sue people. What? What? Who says this? Or who makes fun of somebody who has mental health problems? You know, if anybody's out there and you have mental health problems, she thinks that's funny. Or that if you have anxiety, you know, you're the type of person that should be locked up. It was just disturbing kind of stuff. And I felt bad for her, to be honest with you. And that's just not who we are here at LifeBack Law Firm. We protect our clients. Our clients are anxious when they come to us. Anybody would be anxious when you come to us. And part of protecting you at LifeBack Law Firm is making sure you understand you're not alone. You're not alone. You're okay. It's normal to be anxious. You don't do this every day. And at LifeBack Law Firm, we intend on protecting our staff. We intend on protecting our clients from this kind of hate and division, regardless of the cost. We will pay any price. We have paid a big price already, but we will pay any price to protect our clients from this kind of hate when the time is right. When you're ready to get your life back, reach out to LifeBack Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.